Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Finding the absolute minimum of an integral function is a classic calculus challenge. We will analyze the graph of f to solve this problem quickly. By the fundamental theorem of calculus, the derivative of our function g is simply f. This means we need to look for where the area under the curve is most negative. Absolute extrema on the interval occur at critical points where f equals 0 or at the endpoints. We must check x equals -3, 1, 4, and the upper bound 5. Integrating from 2 to x shows that moving left to -3 accumulates the most negative area. Thus, option A is the minimum. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs when integrating backwards. Trust given graphs and check steps carefully.